Imagine building a production-grade data pipeline in just 5 minutes, something that used to take entire specialized teams weeks to do. Sounds impossible? Not anymore. Python developers are now using DLT, an open-source library, to automate complex data engineering tasks and make AI-powered pipelines a reality, fast. Hey everyone, before we dive in, make sure to like, subscribe, and comment below if you want more insights on AI and data engineering. dltHub, the Berlin-based company behind DLT, just raised $8 million in seed funding, and it's already powering workflows for over 5,000 companies, including finance, healthcare, and manufacturing. The magic? Developers combine DLT with AI coding assistance to accomplish what previously required infrastructure engineers and DevOps teams. The library lets Python developers handle everything from schema evolution to incremental loading without worrying about infrastructure. If a data source changes, DLT adapts automatically. No broken pipelines, no stress. Users like Hoyt Emerson have moved data between Google Cloud Storage, Amazon S3, and data warehouses in mere minutes using platform-agnostic code. Even better, DLT is LLM-friendly. Developers feed documentation into AI assistants to generate reusable templates and deployment configs, dramatically accelerating productivity. This YOLO mode development, where AI helps debug and configure pipelines, has led to a 20x increase in custom connectors in just 9 months. DLT's modular, interoperable design works across cloud platforms and integrates with existing enterprise stacks, making code-first, AI-native data engineering accessible to any Python developer. This is reshaping the enterprise data landscape, giving organizations faster, cheaper, and more flexible pipelines, while reducing dependence on traditional team-heavy ETL platforms. If you're in enterprise data, the question isn't if you'll adapt, it's how fast you will. Start leveraging Python developers, AI assistants, and tools like DLT now, and you'll gain a major edge. Check out the related video in the corner for a deeper dive into AI-accelerated data pipelines. Don't wait. Hit like, subscribe, and start building smarter pipelines today.